Gucci bag, Fendi bag, Prada bag, Louis bag.
Hey curls, it's Jay and I'm finally back with another natural hair video. So I know I've been MIA from YouTube for quite some time, but I promise you it was for a good reason. In this video, I'll be trying a new brand, Naturally United Curls. I'll be trying the cake batter and the CoCoJelly on a twist and curl.
Baby, I know that you like me. You my future wifey. Soldier boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bunny. I can be your Clyde. You can be my wife. Text me, call me, I need you in my life. Yeah, all that, every day I need you. And every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you, I really wanna kiss you, but I can't. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home. We on the phone like we taking pics like she dial my number like 6, 7, 8, 9, 8, 2, 1. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home. See you when I get home. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you.
So let's get into these products a little bit. I first want to start with before I start with getting into the products, I want to say that I really liked that both the products came with an expiration date on the jar. Not like, it doesn't say like 6 months or 12 months, it actually has a date. So if you're a product junkie like me and you forget when you purchase stuff, so you never know when they expire, this is great because now you know an exact date. So let's get into this cake batter. So the cake batter has multiple uses. It says it can be used as a leave-in, a deep conditioner, a styler, or a pre-wash moisturizer, which is also great. It smells like cake batter. It smells really good. It looks like it's really thick, but it's actually not. Like when you rub it on your hands, it's kind of thin, but it's not like greasy thin, but it's thin enough where it works, where you can wear it. I feel like this will be like a leave-in that I could use in the summer because I don't like using heavy leave-ins in the summertime. Now about this CoCoJelly. So the CoCoJelly really doesn't have a scent like the cake batter does. It doesn't really smell like anything, and it's actually a really, really light gel. Like, it feels almost like water. So I found myself like applying more and more, thinking that I didn't have enough, but it definitely had a great hold. It defined my curls really nicely, and I could see the difference between a twist and the curl, and the twist and curl, if that makes any sense. So this product worked, even though it was light, it worked really well on my type 4 hair.
She down my number like 6, 7, 8, 9, 18. Baby, you know that I miss you. I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you. I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now. So baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home.
Okay, dude, just let me finish. I don't really love to invite me. I really don't. You look at my feet.
Future wifey, soldier boy, tell him, yeah, you can be my bunny, I can be your Clyde, you can be my wife. Text me, call me, I need you in my life, yeah, all that, every day I need you, and every time I see you, my feelings get deeper. I miss you, I really wanna kiss you, but I can't. Baby, you know that I miss you, I wanna get with you tonight, but I cannot, baby girl, and that's the issue. Girl, you know I miss you, I just wanna kiss you, but I can't right now, so baby, kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you later on. Kiss me through the phone. Kiss me through the phone. See you when I get home.
So as you guys can see, my curls came out very, very nice. They were very shiny, moisturized. Like, these products worked really well. If I had to pick a favorite out of the 2 new products that I tried, I would pick the CoCoJelly, because I feel like the CoCoJelly just defined my curls like nobody's business. It made me want to go ahead and do a wash and go, like switch up the twist and curl and do a wash and go, but ain't nobody got time for that. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Also, follow my Instagram page _JaysCurls for more special surprises. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.